Registering your SMART or TNT SIM is remarkably straightforward. Before you begin, ensure you have your valid ID and a recent selfie photo readily available. Step 1. Begin by accessing the registration portal using your preferred device, whether it be a phone, tablet, or computer. The link to the registration portal is available in the description box below. Enter your mobile number and input your received OTP. Step 2. Proceed to input your personal details. This includes your full name, birth date, address, and nationality. Additionally, be sure to upload clear images of both your valid ID and a selfie. Step 3. You'll receive an SMS confirmation once the registration process is finalized. You're done. Your SMART or TNT SIM is now officially activated and ready to go.